Blink is your mortgage application portal that allows you to get your dream home on your time and allows you to apply when it's convenient for you. Watch this short video to see how easy it is to securely apply for your home loan. Let's start by creating your account. Simply complete the questions, then select Create Your Account at the bottom of the screen. Now you will start your application. All of the information that you provide will be kept private and secure throughout the entire loan process. If at any time you have questions for your loan officer, you can click their picture icon to see their contact information. With your permission, they can log in and co-browse the entire process with you. For security purposes, you will be asked to verify some personal information. Click on Let's Start. Pick the type of loan you're looking for, and fill out the zip code, purchase price, down payment, and if it's a VA loan. Then click Next. Select your marital status and click Next. Select if there is a co-borrower. If not, click Next. If there is a co-borrower, you'll need to fill in their information by clicking Yes to having a co-borrower. Fill in your information in the required fields. Verify the type of property that you're buying, whether you're working with a realtor, and click on Next. Your bank data is important to the loan application. To save you time from having to gather account information and making copies of your bank statements, you can digitally import your bank data right from Blink. This step is optional and you're able to skip it if desired. Go to Create My Application. In just a few seconds, your application will almost be complete. Now you're almost done. Verify your loan information, property type, income, and expenses. Now confirm just a few income questions to complete your loan application and save. The next section is to add your assets. You will manually fill out your assets if you choose to skip the automated verification process earlier in the application. Click on Save. Your declarations is the next section. It's important to review the questions and click on the answers accordingly. Then click Next. Finally, you will be prompted to review and verify your application. This section provides a summary of the information that you have provided. If everything looks correct, you are now ready to submit your application for review. Just click Submit Request. Congratulations! You've just completed your digital application and your loan application has been received. Your loan officer will be notified that your application has been completed. Once they review your file, you will be sent an email to review and sign your initial disclosures within your portal. Once you answer the security questions, you will review the disclosures and begin the e-signing process. When you're done, you will be directed to your dashboard. On this page, you will be able to upload documents, track the status of your loan, and communicate with your loan officer. If you have any questions for the loan officer, click the Messages tab. Your loan officer will be notified to log in and assist you. You can also send the loan officer an email by clicking their picture. Thank you.